کار دیگه نمیتونم بکنم واقعا. ولی یه چیزایی مثلا میگفتن میشینم واو مثلا کاری که اونجا میکنه مثلا عمرم به فکرت برسه اینجا اینقدر بیکارن یه ذره سرشون از خودشون چیز درست کردن. دایم اومد اینجا اتفاقا دایم سوئد زندگی میکنه. اومد اینجا گفت که من رفتم ایران خیلی زن گرفت طلاق داد طلاق داد همچه زن میگیره طلاق میده از خودش.
سوئد هم اینطوریه
نمیدونم
اینجا پارتنر میگیرن زن نمیگیرن.
anyway رفتم ایران میرفت اون ایران خودرو
ماشین سازی
مال کی بود؟ سرافراز آقای سرافراز
خودرو هم بود
سرافراز ایران خودرو مال سرافراز
بعد قبل از جنده بیارم
دوست دایمه من گفت یه چیزایی میگم من واو مونده بودم که
مثلا چی؟
مثلا it's like going in a pool with like bunch of literally kids between 20, 25 دایما 50 سالشه یا رفتم خونه‌شون
برای دختر که 25 کیت نیستید مالیه
Do memory sticks, do you?
Memory stick? Yes, we do. What's the size looking for?
Which needs 5 gig.
It's 248.
Oh, is it
Yeah.
248? How much is a 4?
4 is 15 pounds.
How much?
15 pounds.
£15 for a 4. How much is an 8?
8 is 2 is 10.
A 4. I'll have a 4, please.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to put it in my business.
There's a cash for just behind this one. It's a top-up machine.
Oh, right. Thank you.
Like a small back for it?
I'm sorry?
You like a small back for it?
Yes, please. Thank you very much. What else do you do here then? First time I've been in, you've not passed it all the time. Can you de-block iPhones and things?
Yes, we can, but I need to check what version do you have, first of all.
It's my...
do you have it with you?
No, I haven't. It's an iPhone 4.
iPhone 4?
Yeah.
Which version? Is it 4.1?
I don't know, it's not mine, it's my daughter's boyfriend who's staying with us over Christmas, so I'll ask him to bring it in.
Bring it in, we can have
I'm
it.
not going to mess with mine because he wants to debug it so he can get all
these apps and everything.
Yeah, is that right? Yeah.
Bring it in, we can do it.
Thanks very much. What time do you close?
7.
Do you do anything with is there anything you do with the iPad as well?
We have some accessories for it, and what do you mean basically?
I bought them all for Christmas. They're on about different things. These are all the covers for them, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, I'll tell them to come in, we're only down the road.
Okay,
Thanks very much. See you.
You have to read down everything that you have. Yeah, but I'm going to know what I have here.
خب همشون رو بهتون نشون میدم چطوری اکسس کنید.
Once I lose them,
آره؟
once I lose them,
خب میشه دوباره ریدانلود کرد.
but on this app, do you have any data on this? Like to do? If I know, I've written everything down.
اینجا آپدیت که میرین بده پرچس. بعد لیست پرچس ها رو میگه. بهتون نشون میده. Not on this iPhone. من چه اپایی
Purchases.
آپدیت رو آپدیت که میرین نگاه کنید مثلا این اپ استوره خب آپدیت نه آپدیت آپدیت که برین بعد پرچس میاد خب
Purchase.
کلیک on purchase و اینجا زده او همه نشون میده چیا رو پرچس
I
کردیم
want to download
آره
I'm going to lose what's in there, huh?
yeah.
Only the apps. I mean, you can re-download back again. It's not a big deal.
No,
but
I'm-
if you...
آره دیگه شما وقتی میخواین اینو سینکش کنین با این
No, don't worry about that. نه این نیستشو.
این نیست؟
نه نیست. You may have a password. Do you agree with this, yeah? Yeah. Come on, is this for, this is not for, not for iPhone, is it? No. You don't have any more? For iPhone, there you go. Huh? You have this? Yeah, I have that. Yeah, but let's see the big slightly big and heavy. For iPhone. But the ones you had, the 1900 or 2100 milliamps, they're fantastic. They're really good. You took most of it. I took most of it. I can't see them, okay? I just take all the information. Write down and then you bring it. Yeah. There's no way you can have these print cards from the iPhone, is there? Print the data, some like pictures, yes, but I've never tried with the files. Especially when you have a different software apps for this thing. He told me that what I do is I have this one. Yeah, ask it to backup. I just give it to. Yeah. Give it to her. Give it to her. Ask it to backup and then transfer it.
10 pounds, sorry, sir.
درست حساب کردم.
یعنی کمتر حساب نکن.
نه 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 نه.
اگه شما تشکیل میشه اینا میامه
ما که شب جد
یا این 50% بهتون دادم اینم 40% اینم 50%. میگه 89 50 قابل شما هم نداره.
It's 10 pounds.
هر چی برای شما باشین ببین اثر میرم زیاد.
قربونه مرسی.
Like a back to that?
Yeah.
ماشاءالله ماشاءالله.
نه.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I put the...
It's okay, it's
You can use 5
alright.
pounds.
It's okay.
It's 10 pounds.
It's alright.
درسته.
Something weird now.
درست بگو بک بدارم این پاره
نه پاره نمیشه
Not the mic.
The mic. So I'm going to have
یه
a
پاره شد. That's it. همش رفت.
Thank you.
There we go.
امیدوارم
دوستون داره.
میدونم به زودی
Definitely.
نظری بری که من فکر نکنم.
نه. همینجا هستم. No problem.
شاید حالا تو من رو بری
Thank you.
We see how it goes.
Very grateful to you, mate. Thank you very much. British, bye.
Bye-bye.
All the best.
And happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you too. I forgot all about it. Happy New Year, man. هنوز عید خودم بگیریم.
فردا شما چیکار می‌کنید؟ Family,
Well, tonight is the New Year.
No, 31st.
Is it tonight?
No.
31st. فردا.
Oh, okay.
آره دیگه میشه.
I don't really know.
فردا دیگه آره.
It's the wife that tells me what to do. Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
All right.
Love it.
Bye.
Take care. Don't we have this? How much is that to get this one?
170, but probably myself how much.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How can I help you?
We just wanted to look at the iPod touch covers. Do you have them?
Is it the 4th generation?
And it's like the new one.
You got it with you?
Well, we can always come back. We were just wondering how much they are.
Okay. They're all in here.
We'll be back here next week, though, won't we?
We got, Cameron, we got the latest iPod Touch cases, don't we? This is the other one. It's the 4th generation, yeah? The 4th generation. We have them in here. Silver. No problem. You can go for these,
And how much are they?
£5 and £10. So the 800 is on 10, the rest of them.
Yeah, sorry. I can't do without it.
Well, I could. If
You
we've
could just-
got
you
one,
could just
and if
get
it's
one.
not the right size,
You can bring it and change it, but it is the right size.
we've only just bought it, so.
Yeah. That's for the 4th generation.
Your name.
It's Warren
Hello, mine's Francis.
Cow. Double R.
Double R.
E-N. And C-O-W.
Does it say 4th gen? Touch 3, no? Touch 3.
545.
Okay, so the one with the camera like this, yeah?
Zero.
If it's like this, it's touch 3. This is
The only
touch
thing
4.
is, that's still
This is the one, and the
and I
one.
need the laptop. Would it be possible to keep hold of
You want a red one?
This thing.
Yeah. Is that alright?
I'll keep it.
Just so I've got it for a couple of days until the new one comes down, because I'm...
Yeah, like
I mean, without this thing, you can still use the main plug, right?
Can you?
Yeah.
You're joking?
Fine.
Yeah?
Did you remember any
You
of
can
the
still charge to the thing.
Without a battery?
Yeah, but like,
You like that?
Oh, fine. Oh my god, that's fine.
I'll try. I mean, I use.
Oh, cool, I think that's that.
I'll call you for the price, yeah?
So it's about 70 quid, isn't it?
Around.
Just order it, seriously, I need it. Yeah, I need it, so just order. Also, this is... what was that on top? This is coming up. It's snapped. Do you do...
You know which from HP?
Yes, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but that's snapped on and got stuck in the side. If you've got anything.
These things, I'm not sure what they're for, but actually I used everything to my charger. Same shape, it just doesn't so it goes in halfway.
Outside of the couch, you know what I like. Fantastic, brilliant. Cheers, one. Love it. Alright, brilliant.
Is that alright?
Yeah,
Thank you very
no
much.
problem.
Great.
How are you, man?
How's yours then? You
Yeah,
alright?
good,
Good
thanks.
seeing you.
Brilliant. You're busy.
Well, yeah, sort of. You know, it starts New Year coming tomorrow, so everyone's just preparing for that, really. I don't recommend that you use just any normal micro USB charger like the Nokia ones. They won't charge it as well as this one does, because this, you know, intellectually actually communicates with the phone.
And its own charger that comes with it clearly is the best.
Is the well,
Similar
this
to
one
that.
and that was same. It's just different brand, different name.
Okay. How much is this?
That's 20. And I have black recharges for 10 as well, if you like. But I
But does
recommend
it separate from it as well? Like, no, it doesn't.
You want the one that separates?
Yeah.
I have that.
Does it come as well?
Yeah.
Is that also intelligent?
Well, same thing, sir. I was just using it for this one.
Alright.
And the same thing. Here we go. Comes with a USB that separates.
That's brilliant.
Alright.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Would you like to see, sir?
Sorry.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goes into your phone socket.
Yeah.
Telephone goes to that. Telephone goes to that, and the ADSL cable goes to this and goes behind the router. No. No. So if you want two, you get two of these. That's what we do in there as well. 0.5. So literally this will go in here. Yeah. You can get two routers.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah, sure.
I just have to fight.
Your receipt is in there.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Do you have a charger for an iPhone?
Yes,
or
we do.
iPad?
iPhone or iPad, sir?
Aren't they both the same?
No. So different voltage. Is it the iPad 2 or iPad 1?
iPad 2.
Because on the iPad 1, yeah, it's the same voltage, but on iPad 2, no.
Is it?
It's 85 watts.
Ah, right, okay.
So it's different. For iPad,
Can I just have a look?
this is for the iPhone,
Right.
for the iPad.
Comes with this. And then do you have the USB cable?
Yes, of course, comes with
How much was this?
This is 20.
So 40 quid?
20 pounds, yeah.
Oh, that's 20.
If I lose it tomorrow, but I'm not taking it. Don't take it. I'm gonna take it.
Okay, listen, I'm giving you 20% discount,
So that
bro.
makes it like £7.
Makes it £8.
That's cool.
This is Kingston, my friend. 4 years manufacturer warranty. 4 years. Roberta, grazie, me la siento.
Did you accept card?
Cash on it. Cash on it.
Okay, I'm going cash with you.
Oh, mate. Did you want this, yeah?
Mm.
Alright, print off for you. You come here.
Yes, my friend. What's up?
Is she related to you?
No.
Just a colleague?
Yeah, colleague.
You ain't got a girlfriend?
Yeah, she's not my girlfriend, no.
Chick, bang it, bro.
I hear you, man.
Bro, trust me, take it down, I don't know, anywhere.
But the thing is, we know a lot of mutual people, man. All of our friends.
So, wait for the picture.
Hi. You replace screens in laptops.
Yeah, we do.
Lenovo.
Any screen, sir.
Lenovo X300. How much would it cost?
X300. Is it possible to bring? I need to see the part number behind the screen, and I can get you the price.